Okay, so in this lesson we'll have the animation state play even when he's moving backwards, and I'll explain why that error is happening. If we go back over to our code, we're telling the code to check and see if vertical is greater than 0, then we set it to walking. And if not, we set it to 0. So he's not walking and it starts playing the idle animation. What we need to do is add an else if statement in here and say if input dot get axis vertical is less than 0, because remember there's a negative value when you hit the down arrow or the S key. And so if it's actually a negative value less than 0, then we also need to set it up to animate walk. So animator dot set float walking to 1F. Okay, and that will solve the problem. He'll now walk backwards. So now when I press play and we hit the down arrow, he's going to walk backwards. Now granted, his animation would be different, but you'd have to go and find an animation of someone walking backwards and have that play. And since all we have is the walk animation, that's what I'll play. And it'll look like he's moonwalking, and moonwalking is cool, so we'll leave it at that. That solves that issue. So now what else do we need to do? Well, we need him to go into a run animation. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll see you then.